And I hope that's not me.
needs to come out of the game early and play that kind of football to prove he's the guy that will be there long term. And I'll throw another guy out there, a true veteran. How about Russell Wilson with the Giants? I mean, can he prove that he can still lift the franchise and be a superstar quarterback? I say yes, but I do believe that Russell Wilson has very good opportunity quarterbacks nonstop. I went to the wide receiver. One last guy, Justin Fields. Justin Fields. Last year, 4-2 in the mention for Russell Wilson. That's right. Against his fellows on the team. So that game, Aaron Rodgers, you're talking about Justin Fields. That's a great game. Let me just mention this. Phil Pierce, our new colleague here at CBS, he says the difference with Jaden Daniels, he's like a lot of little great players in any sport.
Shiny one.
Slows when the pressure is the highest. That's awesome. Yeah, Dan Quinn told me a story about it last year. He went over to him before a 2-minute, and he was smiling and laughing. And Dan knew he had the right guy. All right, guys, we're going to move along to something that is one of our rich traditions here on the NFL today, and that is talking to guys in the pads right before they play the game. And we are joined by a guy live in the Big Easy. He's big, and he's been making it look easy for 18 years. The great Calais Campbell. How you doing, brother?
Sliding off the edge.
I know that's right. Now, listen, you've been playing a long time at a high level. I'm curious, has your preparation changed, or has it been the same for the last couple of decades?
It's evolved a whole lot. I had to learn a lot of ways to take care of my body, but I got it affected pretty good. And I expected it.
You know what it's like to be a rookie. You know what it's like to start your career off, your journey off. What are you saying to these young pups that are getting ready to start off their careers?
I said a whole lot to them, but mainly we're just looking to thank God for the opportunity and go out there and give it your all. At the end of the day, this game is a blessing. Not everybody gets to play. A lot of guys wish they could be playing right now. We're the ones that we're lucky to. We're lucky to get to go into this arena and compete with gladiators at the highest level.
We like to take people inside the locker room,
Dude, it's that Japanese rain. I don't even know what the hell
So
it
what
is.
are you eating before the game? What is big to live, Campbell, eat
I know.
to get ready for
Yeah.
football game?
I've eaten since like 7:30 this morning, like 7 this morning. But just eggs. I had some sweet potatoes. Just, but it's kind of something I eat every day though. So I try to keep my body in routine, so that ain't really a big surprise. You know, I was used to it. Learn how to break it down and be ready for work.
Calais, in my opinion, you have had a Hall of Fame career, but a Super Bowl run is special to any of us.
Another shiny
Would a
one.
Super Bowl win, would it validate your career, or would it just be the cherry on top?
You know, that's fair enough to debate.
Another shiny one.
And, my first year in the NFL,
Oh.
this team right here made a run.
There's a shiny one.
And it was an incredible experience. And I hope this team right here can make a run again. We have all these.
Another shiny one.
We can definitely do it, but at the end of the day, we just got to concentrate on this game, stay locked in the moment, do the best we can. Go out there and play.
All right, Calais, let's go. Good luck. Good luck on your skill set, my brother.
Yes, sir.
You know what, a quality guy, but what he loves to tell us all game, loud and clear.
There are 3 shiny ones.
And if you want to wipe that off, you can use a paper towel. All right, and speaking of character, you know what? We're getting ready to go back to another one who possesses high character. And for more on the newest star in Green Bay, let's check back in with Tracy Wilson at the Green Bay Fan House. Hello, Tracy.